Summer is well and truly here, and what better way to cool down than on the water?
We're going to see an explosion of people on our waterways over Christmas.
Jet skis are a popular choice, with more than 30,000 in Queensland.
It's an economical way for people to get out there. It's been a fantastic introduction into the marine sector and is growing with popularity more and more every day.
But with any sport comes rules.
We will be out in force over the summer period to make sure people are doing the right thing, that you're licensed, you have the right safety equipment on, you're obeying the rules. The fines can be quite substantial.
Maritime Safety Queensland is 2 months into an operation. Officers are patrolling waterways to make sure everyone gets home safely. The last 12 months have been the worst on record for watercraft incidents. Fun in the sun cut short due to reasons that could have been prevented. This again driving home the importance of the maritime safety message. The team have some advice for those new to water sports.
For people to be in contact with the BIA or to be a member of their local club or yacht club.
And encourage everyone to plan ahead.
To be sure of what the weather is going to be like at the end of the day.
Lara Both, 7 Gold Coast News.